So hey guys, I'm going to show you a tricks for monetize checking your channel out using only cell phone or mobile, iOS and iPhone. So I got a mistake of installing this YouTube. So right now I'm gonna install it. Oh, disable. I'm gonna disable this. The problem with YouTube application is if you don't uninstall YouTube, you can't use the desktop version of the desktop version of Google Chrome, because it will direct you in the it will direct you in so it will redirect you in the oh come on it will redirect you to the YouTube application. Yeah, this is what you need. Request desktop site. Desktop site is when you request them to program your iOS for iPhone to become a desktop version in the iOS program. So yeah, right now I am using the desktop version in an iOS or an iPhone. Great shout out for Nexitify. He's the one who showed me the video in my account. He also commented on my Cars Leak, if you know that. He gave me, this guy is a new YouTuber too in the YouTube community. He's the one who leaked how to upload in thumbnail from a mobile device. That's from 1 day ago. So if you want to know the shortest video, it's from Nexify. It's complete and easy to do. So mine is just showing you why you can desktop version you can do the desktop version and get redirected to the application in your cell phone. You just need to uninstall it, then you request a desktop just like what I did in the video, and you get voila, you just get the desktop version in your iOS using Google. So this is my this is my this is the end of the video, and thank you for listening to the end. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Stay windy, YouTube.